Now I'm going to show you how Parser works. I'm going to run the code with the 10 sentences that, that this parser should work with. I'm not going to stop in all of this because some of the sentences are simple, but I'm going to show you all. The first one is Holmes sat. This is one of the most um, simple sentences. The next one is going to be Holmes lit a pipe, and here we can see the non-phrase chunks. The next one is going to see we arrived the day before Thursday. Here we can see that the code is working and the non-phrase chunks here. The next one is going to be this one. Holmes sat in the red armchair and he chuckled. Here we can see that the classification is a little bit bigger than before, and we have more than one way to classify these words. But the non-phrase chunks is always the same three, are always the same three. The next one is going to be my companion smiled an enigmatical smile. We can see here that it's working for all the sentences that we are writing. This is the next one. Holmes chuckled to himself. Here we can see the tree and the noun phrases that are Holmes and himself. The next one is going to be she never said a word until we were at the door here. This sentence has a lot of classifications, different classifications, and 4 noun phrase chunks. Here we can see that the noun phrase are she, a word, we, and the door. The next one is going to be Holmes sat down and lit his pipe. This one has a lot of classifications too, and these 2 noun phrase chunks. The number 9 is going to be this one. This is I had a country walk on Thursday and came home in a dreadful mess. Here, we can see here that this is a big tree and has more than one classification, and these noun phrase chunks. And the last one is going to be this one. I had a little moist red paint in the palm of my hand. This one has only one classification, and the noun phrase chunks are these 4. Are I, a little moist red paint, the palm, and my hand. As we can see here, they are all under the classification of noun phrase. Here and here. And this is all the implementation for the parser.